APM2020 is the latest model machine for the angle steel. This machine features high process efficiency and stability. Bigger size chain on transverse conveyor with block improve the tensile load capacity of transmission chain. The rotating loading system is driven stable by the motor through the reducer. Carriage is driven stable up and down by the motor through the ball screw, is guided by linear guideway. Enlarge the size of the clamp tube and change the structure of the clamp to increase the rigidity of the clamp. Enlarge the nominal punching and shearing force. Change the lathe structure to improve the equipment rigidity, so the machine is qualified for process on high-grade angle steel.